Hey everyone, it's Francis. Mm, I thought I beat my personal record sa 10 kilometer. The thing is, I am measuring my run using my Huawei Watch Fit 4. I was running around here in Mall of Asia complex. It's not exactly 10, actually it's 10.03 kilometers yung activity na nalag dito sa relo ko. Pero, ayun na nga. Ang lumabas sa Strava is only 9.96 kilometers lang yung tinakbo ko. So, any idea kung paano siya masisync or may hack or may tips ba kayo kung paano isisync from Huawei Health app to Strava? Naka-automatic sync naman siya, but the thing is hindi nagtatali yung data from my Huawei Health app sa Strava. So ayun, akala ko sosobra na siya akala ko mabibit ko yung akala ko malalag na tama yung 10k na tinakbo ko. So pero hindi, yun nga 9.96 lang, but if kung yung oras yung pagbabasehan, my previous record was 1 hour and 17 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Then kinaya ko siya ng 1 hour and 10 minutes. So ayun, anyway, comment nyo lang kung may tips or suggestion kayo on how to sync data on those apps. So anyway, happy running. I have to go home. Bye.